This is a super easy tutorial to recreate this gorgeous Daisy eyeshadow look. I'm using the Wet n Wild contour stick and it's more bronzy than grayish. I like to achieve more of a warm tone. It makes me look like I tanned my face. It gives it color and life and it makes it look healthier. So after I apply the contour lines, I'm using the brush to tap it upwards on my cheeks so that it doesn't go downwards and bring my cheeks down, because you want to achieve more of a snatched look. And after I trace my nose contour lines, I use a clean brush with some translucent loose powder. And when I brush it on the bronze lines of my nose, it helps me lower the intensity of the color and make it look more of a shadow. And then I'm using Revolution palette to do my eyeshadow, and I'm trying to achieve a dramatic eyeshadow look. For my lid, I use a light eyeshadow shade, then I use a darker eyeshadow shade to trace it. Then I use face paint to draw the daisies, and I'm actually using some nails tools. They work amazing. It was challenging to achieve it because the fluorescent colors are very hard to show, because when they dry, they tend to become more translucent. So for next time, I'm gonna definitely be using a white foundation. And that is the final look.